Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, Primary 5 for you today. Today we are going to have science revision. And first, we must know that we will have only 4 questions and they will be chosen, inshallah. Let's go. Yes, the first question, that space blood circulation is that occurs between the heart and lungs, major, higher, minor, lower. The answer will be minor. Okay, choose space have a role in blood clotting process. As we know that our blood consists of 4 components, which are red blood cells or RBCs, white blood cells or white cells, blood platelets, and plasma. Let's talk about the importance of each one of these components. The first one, red blood cells, they are responsible for carrying the oxygen and carbon dioxide, while white cells or white blood cells, they are responsible for defending the body against microbes or attacking microbes. And the third component, which is blood platelets, they are responsible for making blood clot or blood coagulation during wounds, which prevents blood bleeding or prevents blood bleeding and helps in healing of wounds. And the last component, which is plasma, it is responsible for carrying digested food to cells, then carrying the wastes from body cells. So let's return back to our question. So the blood component which has a role in blood clotting process is blood platelets. The second one. Yes, you should space to maintain your circulatory system healthy. Okay, keep exercising, not eat vegetables, exposed to accidents, not correct. We must take some advice or have some pieces of advice to keep our circulatory system healthy. One of them is to keep exercising every day to activate our circulation, our blood circulation in our system, in our body. Okay, and eat much amount of vegetables and fruit. So the answer will be keep exercising. Okay, what role plays the atria pump blood out of the heart? As we know that our heart as we know that our heart consists of 4 chambers, which are the 2 upper atria. The 2 upper chambers or 2 upper rooms are called atria, while the 2 lower rooms are called ventricles. And ventricles, the 2 lower rooms are responsible for pumping the blood outside the heart or away from the heart to body cells and the lungs. The left one is responsible for pumping the oxygenated blood to all body cells, while the right one is responsible for pumping the deoxygenated blood or blood that contains carbon dioxide to the 2 lungs through the pulmonary artery. While the 2 other atria or 2 other chambers, which are called the atria, are responsible for receiving blood that comes from body cells and comes from the lung. The left side is responsible for receiving the blood which is oxygenated or is carrying oxygen from the 2 lungs, while the right one is responsible for receiving the blood that is deoxygenated or carrying carbon dioxide from all body cells. So let's return back to our question. Okay, what role does the atria pump the blood out of the heart? The answer will be false. Okay, ventricles, they are the 2 rooms which are responsible for pumping the blood. Okay, the answer will be false. Okay, what role does the capillaries carry the needed food substance to the blood cell? As we know that capillaries, they are responsible for delivering the blood that contains oxygen and digested food to all body cells. So the answer will be true. Next. Okay, Solid wastes are stored in a small intestine. Let's talk about that there are two types of wastes in our body, which are released by our body, and they are classified into solid wastes and excretory wastes. Let's talk about solid wastes. They are undigested food, some food which doesn't undergo the process of digestion. Okay, so they are undigested food and it is stored in our large intestine until they are expelled outside the body. While excretory wastes or cell wastes, they are wastes which are produced from our blood cells and they contain carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogenous wastes here and uric acid, and there are some excess water and excess salts. So let's return back to our question. Okay, solid wastes are stored in small intestines. The answer will be false because they are stored in large intestine. Next, ureters are the most important organs of urinary system. As we know that our urinary system consists of two kidneys, okay, and ureter, two ureters, and urinary bladder. Okay. Let's talk about our diagram. The two kidneys, they are responsible for filtering the blood from body wastes. Okay, so they are the most important two organs of urinary system. While the two ureters, they are two large tubes which are responsible for carrying the urine from the two kidneys to the urinary bladder to be stored temporarily until they are exposed or expelled outside the body through urethra. So let's return back to our question. Okay, ureters are the most important organs of urinary system. The answer will be false because they are the two kidneys, not two ureters. Okay, nitrogenous wastes, they are produced from breaking down of. As we know that our body has many wastes like carbon dioxide and water vapor, and they are exposed outside the body through the two lungs. Okay, nitrogenous wastes which are urea and uric acid, and they are produced from breaking down and protein. Excess water and excess salts, and they are released in form of sweat through the skin, and they may be exposed or expelled also in form of urine through the two kidneys. So the answer will be nitrogenous wastes which are urea and uric acid. They are produced from breaking down of protein. Yes. Carbon dioxide gets outside the body through, as we know that carbon dioxide, which is produced from body cells and water vapor, they are released outside our body through the two lungs. The first one. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are released out the body through lungs. The answer will be true, and we have just answered that. Yes, next question. Okay, blood enters the two kidneys to be filtered through a vein. Let's stop at the board. Our blood enters the two lungs through an artery. This artery enters the two lungs, and it is carrying harmful wastes or excretory wastes, which are coming from body cells, and they contain these wastes are nitrogenous wastes. Okay, nitrogenous wastes like urea and uric acid, excess water, and excess salts, and they enter the two lungs to be filtered. Okay, in form of urine. After filtering in the two kidneys, the blood release is released from the two kidneys or leaves the two kidneys and it is pure, okay, through a vein. Okay, so the blood enters the two kidneys through an artery, okay, and release or leaves the kidneys through a vein. So let's return back to our question. Blood enters the two kidneys to be filtered through a vein. The answer will be false. To keep your urinary system healthy, you must drink suitable amounts of water every day. The answer will be true, and we must stop here to take some base of advice or have some base of advice to keep our urinary system healthy. You must drink an appropriate or suitable amount of water every day, okay? Because our salts in our body are dissolved in this water, okay? You must keep exercising every day. You must avoid irrigation canals or swimming in them or urination in them to avoid infection with schistosomiasis disease. Okay? So let's return to our question. Okay. Space, urine, the next question. Urine is stored in pulmonary and urinary bladder, and we said that urinary bladder is a balloon-like sac which stores urine temporarily to be till it is exposed during urination process outside the body. So urine is stored temporarily in urinary bladder. The first one. Yes, excess water and salts are excreted outside the body in form of, as we have said, that excess water and excess salts may be released outside the body in form of urine through urinary system or in form of sweat through our skin. Okay, so the answer will be all are correct in form of urine or sweat. To keep your urinary system healthy, you must avoid food that is rich in. As we know that our urinary system filters the body from excess water and salts, so we must take food that is low in salts. Yes. And now we have finished all questions. We have finished all questions that is related to our revision, and I hope to meet you in the next video and hoping you a good performance on your next exam. Thank you for today. Thank you.